All right, so welcome to Jazz Piano Daily number 69. I have a beautiful ending to share with you for In a Sentimental Mood. All right, so let's do this jazz piano ending. Let me shift into music. All right, so now let me just play the ending for you, and then we will go on from there. All right, so ending the song we have, right, and then we go into this coda section. Okay. All right, so now let's break this down. All right, so first of all, if we take a look at the whole form, you see it at the end here, we have this DC al coda. That means that we go back to the beginning part of the song. If you are joining me on YouTube and you don't see the sheet music here, you just have to sign up for a full Jazz Piano Daily membership. And then you see here, then it moves on to the coda here. Let me move that out of the way. You see, then we go from the coda. So we play this G minor. Do all of this, and then we jump on over to the coda section. Let me go ahead and jump over there so you could see that now. And then we jump over here to this coda section. Whoops, it started to do that. Let me fix that, I'm sorry. So again, from the coda section. Notice here I played the flat 9. I'm actually going to add the flat 9 into the chord symbol as well. So this is a D7 flat 9. Let me blow this up a little bit for you so you can see it. Okay. So we have here A minor 7 flat 5, then D7 with a this is a sharp 11 right here, but then we go up to the flat 9, and then we're coming down in thirds in the right hand. Fingering wise, 5 and 3, 2 and 4, 1 and 3, 1 and 2, crossover, 5 and 3, 2 and 4, 1 and 3, 3 and 5. That's the right hand. Notice you can hold this F out. Okay. So, again from the coda. See, I can hold these notes out as well as I play up that melody. I don't have to. I could also go. That'd be fine. Sorry. All right, so now what's happening here is at the end of the song, it does a 2-5-1, right? So the G minor, C, and it'll be ending on F6. So what we do is we delay the resolution of the F6 by throwing in that 3 minor 7 flat 5 chord in front of it, right? So the A minor 7 flat 5 delays that resolution. So when you have a 2-5 at the end of your song, don't just go to the 1. Okay, so now 2, 5, and then go up to the 3. See how I also brought in that same melody? All right, and then 2, 5, 1. And then this right here is an F. This is like a B flat with F in the bass. Kind of the same thing, like a B flat 6 with F in the bass, or you can also think of it as G minor, and then resolving to the F. Basically what's happening is this. You're getting this suspension happening, and hold out the Fs. It's a great sound, right? So. And you retard it and slow it down as it goes, okay? So be sure to slow down. You don't want to just blast, right? You don't want to just blast into it like that. So make sure you're kind of slowing down as you're going. On the A minor 7 flat 5, I just put the melody. I didn't want to, cause too much stretch for your hand. But if you can do it, you can put in the rest of the A minor 7 flat 5 chord. That would sound nice. Even if you leave out the 7th. So beautiful sounding ending, works really, really great, and it really works well for you know, other ballads as well. So you really want to learn this and kind of get that down because you can utilize it on many other ballads. All right, so let me just play the end here for you. So. I'm sorry. And then we go to the coda. It's obviously a lot easier to see when you're looking at the music, but at least you have the virtual keyboard there that you'll be able to figure out all of those notes, okay? So anyway, have fun with that ending. If you have any questions, any comments, be sure to leave it in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. To get the first 45 pages of music for free, just go back to jazzpianodaily.com. If you liked the video, please be sure to click the like button and also subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. To watch the rest of the lessons in this series, just click on the playlist to the right of this arrow. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.